thuggin', we creepin', we thuggin', we creepin', we thuggin', we making the money, we creepin' and thuggin', we creepin' and thuggin', yeah, we creepin' and thuggin', we creepin' and thuggin'. Me and my niggas out here tryna get this money. Verse 1, I'ma have to let you know I'm all about this money, Bobby creepin' on the low. Windows blow down, cause you know how I roll. Halfway down, cause I let them bullets go. Oh, niggas don't fuck with me, boy. You know what I be about. Got so much motherfucking clout. Street shit, that's what I'm about. Making money every day, as I get it anywhere. From New York to the motherfucking South. Watch them up, what I say. Y'all bitch niggas look act hard. Y'all bitch niggas tryna pull my car, but I snapped on y'all, bust that y'all. Fuck niggas tryna act hard. And you know how I be, boy. I'm a G, boy. So don't try to hit me up in these streets, boy. Unless you want beat, boy. Cause you can't ride with me, you can't just lie with me. My niggas end up hiding you for that big feet. Fuck my niggas, yeah, on your knees. Last a nigga don't say please. Fuck that, shoot niggas, murder rate, murder case, no fucking great. Getting money with my team. I'm getting money with my team, playboy. I'm getting money with my team. I'm getting money with my team. Getting money with my team, boy. I'm a baller, I live it, I'm making the money. These bitches, they with it, they know we riding exquisite. We smoking explicit, we getting so high and gifted. We smoking and drinking, we stealing. I'm chilling like a pill, I'm riding on the chill. And you smoking on this off the moon, bitch, you got the thrill. And I'm like, hell nah, hoes, you better chill. I'm out here in the studio, trying to get this meal for real. And we out here on the killer shit, we make money, nigga, fuck a bitch.